Welcome to another episode of Ask Why. Today, let's know about the Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is celebrated annually across the world on 10th December every year. The date was chosen to honor the United Nations General Assembly's adoption and proclamation on 10th December 1948 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the first global enunciation of human rights and one of the first major achievements of the United Nations. This year's Human Rights Day theme is related to the COVID-19 pandemic. The theme of 2020 Human Rights Day is Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights. The National Human Rights Commission is a statutory body that was constituted by the Act passed in the Parliament. The current chairman of National Human Rights Commission is Justice H.L. Dattu, a person who is a retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India can only be appointed as the chairman of National Human Rights Commission. The National Human Rights Commission or NHRC was established in 1993. It is a statutory public body constituted on 12th October 1993 under the Protection of Human Rights Ordinance of 28th September 1993. The tenure of the chairman of National Human Rights Commission is up to 5 years until he is 70 years old. The headquarters of NHRC is located at New Delhi. The National Human Rights Commission Act has been changed in 2006. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights sets out a broad range of fundamental rights and freedoms to which all of us are entitled. It guarantees the rights of every individual everywhere without distinction. The High Commissioner for Human Rights as the main United Nations rights official and the Office of the High Commissioner play a major role in the coordinating efforts for the yearly observation of Human Rights Day. This is all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting and informative videos.